This method allows anyone to build sensors that can measure the temperature and moisture of the top 5 millimeters of soil, a dynamic and difficult area to measure.
Simultaneously measuring microclimate in the soil surface allows the assessment of how temperature and soil moisture influence organisms, gas fluxes, and other components of ecosystem function at the soil surface.
The soil surface is particularly prone to large fluctuations in temperature and moisture, and may be disproportionately important in regulating overall ecosystem activity.
These sensors provide new insights into how soil moisture surface biota are regulated by and respond to changes in temperature and moisture, which have been difficult to study in the past.
To prepare the thermocouple cable, strip the cable jacket 4 to 5 centimeters from the end of the cable and strip the newly exposed small diameter sheaths 5 millimeters from the ends of the wires. And cut the ground wire off at the cable jacket so it is not exposed beyond the jacket. Wearing the appropriate protective equipment, arc weld the exposed tips of the wires together and tug gently on the wires to test the strength of the weld and to make sure that the tips do not separate. Dip the arc-welded tips of the thermocouple cable into liquid electrical tape to cover the exposed metal of the wires and at least 3 millimeters of the small diameter wire sheaths. After allowing the electrical tape to dry for at least 4 hours, or as recommended by the manufacturer, cut a piece of approximately 3.3 millimeter diameter heat shrink tubing that is long enough to cover the electrical tape on the small diameter sheaths and at least 1 centimeter of the thermocouple jacket, and insert the wire.